Alright, worlds. But this is my new car right here. Got my G37X all-wheel drive, whoopty whoop wop wop, thingamajigger whoopty whoop right there. Got a clock in that bitch. Got a clock in that bitch. CD changer I'll never use. It's supposed to be 6, but I don't know how to do that. Navigation, all that other good shit, bro. It's pretty decent on the inside, pretty basic. You see that? I ain't going nowhere though. I'm in a nice park. I'll be here for a couple of hours till the sun sets. I'm gonna get this whole thing detailed, especially that armrest right there. Look up your elbow. See that shit? Nigga, how this motherfucker have bad skin?
Eczema.
Eczema. Armrest got eczema. Yep, motherfucker got all these buttons and doo-wop, push start. For you niggas that don't have it, I just upgraded to it. It's hard, nigga. You know how many times I'll be reaching in my pocket, the motherfucker, I'm trying to put some keys in a place they don't exist. But yeah, that's that nigga shit right there. We gonna take some pictures and shit. We'll get back at y'all in a minute, man. All right, y'all. Look at that nigga. Got my wheels on that bitch. So the next thing is gonna be a lower kit. I'm gonna replace this front bumper because that's all paint chips that have come off. And nothing I can do about it. I can do touch-up paint, but I actually want to paint the car a different color. Why not, right? Like, comment, subscribe, join this shit, bro. Watch the motherfucking growth of this car, bro. Watch it turn into something else. Most people complain about salvage titles. I don't really give a shit, bro. It's not a car that I plan on reselling. It's not a car that I plan on doing much to other than modifying and then trying to keep. It's costing me $3 grand. I like it. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. I'm gonna fix that exhaust, fix that rear bumper. I don't know what else. Y'all tell me what else I'm supposed to do with this, man. I don't know what.
Burn out?
you do it. If you can figure out how to do an all-wheel drive burnout and a fucking 7-speed automatic, you do it. I can't.
Didn't quite work out. I was gripping the ground too hard.
Nigga, the tires are grip, bro, for some. This is what I'm running on right here for my tires, yo. Some off-brand Korean shit, probably. I don't know, bro, but I got them. They grippy. Tread's nice. 245s. 20 by 45. Yeah, those shits is down there. Where's the other tire? It should be up higher. It's right there. Bam. That's what I'm running. And shit, man. Hey, so you can do a launch in this though, bro. It's not like a mode or anything. Just fucking keep the wheel straight. Like smash down the fucking brake and just rev it like until you like, don't try and go past like 2, but just bring it up to like 15 and just take your foot off and then just go. Don't crash.
That didn't make sense. So put it in drive?
You gonna keep it in drive, bro, but you just gonna
Smash the gas.
the brake.
Oh, okay.
Hold that bitch real hard.
Like two.
Yeah, but you don't go to 2 to keep it like 15.
Oh.
I don't want him to break it. He can actually do 25. He gonna be mad when he fucking watch the video though, but yeah, I want to break my car. I'm gonna have him record it and watch me do it. See if he can do it. Oh man, that sun bright as fuck. Such a beautiful thing. What you think about that, nigga?
Nah, that was lit. That was lit.
Oh yeah, bro. Alright, you gonna go get your car? Alright, this nigga gonna do it now. This shit look nice though. Oh, I fucked that up. My finger slipped so I couldn't zoom out. And I can't see again. Get that nigga's rev limiter taken on. That shit gonna be nice. Shit sound nice, son. Oh yeah, let me turn my wheels the right way. Hey y'all, man, if y'all like my video, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what the fuck I need to do better. I mean, I think I've been doing this shit for a year. I'm not good at it, bro. I got a Nokia fucking 1 for my camera. There's only 16 megapixels. I had a Q45, that shit died on me. I just got this motherfucking G37. Let me know what y'all want me to do, bro. Like, shit. I ain't got a lot of money, but I got enough to take people's opinions and put them to work. Shit. So what y'all think? Ooh. We gonna add to this shit too, bro. We got one of my neighbors, the nigga got the Challenger. So it's gonna be 2 motherfucking Americans and just my import. Shit. Till then, nigga, we gonna get it in. These motherfuckers is nice. 09 and a 2014. Can't wait to get this nigga some motherfucking wheels. Y'all want to donate, man? Send this nigga some money. He ain't broke, but I just want him to do it faster. So send this nigga some money. Get this nigga a tune and some rims. That's step one. Step one. Or he can trade the rims in for intake and try and keep it sleeper. That's up to him. I don't give a shit how he spend his money. Just donate. Don't hate. Participate.